An update from a story we brought you at 6. A suspected robber is now behind bars. As investigators were getting ready to wrap up a manhunt tonight, they located William Kyle Rossignol, who was suspected of robbing a bank last week and a credit union this morning. The Gainesville Police Department sent us this video of his arrest tonight. CBS 4 reporter Angie Andrews has been following this story throughout the day and recaps the manhunt.
A massive search involving dozens of officers, both on the ground and up into the sky over Southwest 28th Terrace in Gainesville.
When I got back, the road was blocked off and I didn't really ask any questions. I just kind of pulled over and thought I'd wait it out.
Officers were checking cars and keeping traffic off the street all afternoon long in search of this man, William Rossignol, who goes by Kyle.
Police say it actually all started here early this afternoon at the University of Florida Health Science Center. Police say the suspect walked into the Campus USA Credit Union, walked up to the teller, and demanded cash.
The teller said that the suspect pulled up his shirt to display a handgun.
Police say the suspect sped away from the bank and drove over 2 miles before crashing his car at Lexington Crossing and running off. Officers raced down parts of Southwest Gainesville in pursuit.
There's also been a lot of problems on the street recently. I'm actually moving because they were all down here a couple of days ago doing the same thing. So I don't know, it's kind of stressful.
Police quickly matched the suspect's description and car to Rossignol. He's the same man they believed robbed the Wells Fargo on Northwest 13th Street last week.
I'm a teller myself at a bank, so I know how important it is to keep people safe.
Just outside the bank, police were seen sifting through trash in search of any evidence that could lead them to Rossignol.
I hope he gets caught. Hopefully they don't let him get away twice.
Reporting in Gainesville, I'm Angie Andrews, CBS 4 News.